mga ka-region, nasa Robinsons, Pampanga na naman tayo para sa first elimination round ng semifinals na kung saan 36 na qualifiers mula sa 3 elimination rounds ang magtutunggali. Kasama ang 4 na wildcards na pinili ng CLTV 36. Dito lamang sa pinaka-aabangang tagisan ng talento sa Central Luzon. Ito ang inyong tinututukan, ang Starmil, Central Luzon Search for the Star in a Million.
All in all, 4 na po ang magpapasiklaban ngayon. Subalit, 10 lamang ang papalaring makatungtong sa next round. Kilalanin natin ang mga batikang personalidad na may napakahirap na tungkulin na piliin ang ating top 10. Ladies and gentlemen, our board of judges. Joby Henson, Pampanga's multi-awarded premier choreographer. Ara Muna, Awit award-winning recording artist and comedian. Mr. Vic Venescasa, the multi-awarded record producer and composer. Ms. Lisette Laos Velasco, the Vice President and Deputy Chief Operating Officer of the Laos Group. And of course, joining us is our very own Executive Producer, Musical Director of RD Santa Rita, Mr. Randy Del Rosario. We're very honored by your presence, judges. At para lalong maging prestigyoso ang kompetisyong ito, we will also be joined by one of the region's most respected accounting firms, ang Lupo S. Ramos Certified Public Accountants. Magsisimula na rin pagkatapos ng Starmil ang text voting courtesy of Sun Cellular. Bago matapos ang show, ipapakita sa inyong TV screen ang respective text codes. You can only text up to 12 noon of July 13, 2013. Shopping na rin kayo to the max at any Robinsons Starmil and Robinsons Angeles, specifically department store, supermarket, appliance center, Fiesta Kapampangan, market bazaar, food and fashion gallery, at handyman. For every 300 pesos single receipt purchase, you will be entitled to 1 Starmil voting stub and 1 raffle coupon na kung saan pwede ninyong isulat ang pangalan ng paborito ninyong semi-finalist. Present your receipts to the promo clerk at the designated promo booths. At dahil may raffle coupon, pwede rin kayong manalo ng mga Robinsons GCs. Up to 12 noon rin ng July 13, 2013 ang deadline nito. Tandaan natin ang judging sa top 10 ay ang mga sumusunod. 40% from judges, 30% mula sa text votes at 30% mula sa shoppers votes. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let the competition begins.
Hi, I'm Janelle and yung pong pinakita ko last time is I sang the song from Les Miserables on my own. And this time po, kakantahin ko po is I Dream a Dream from Les Miserables. And mas dadagdagan ko pa po yung not only in the singing part, but mas may emotions, mas may puso ang gagawin ko pong performance ngayong araw na ito.
Semi-finalist number 1, Janelle Mariana from Cabiawan City of San Fernando.
But the tigers come at night with a voice as soft as thunder as they tear your home apart, as they turn your dream to shame. He's loved to summer by my side. with endless wonder. He took my childhood in his stride, but he was gone when autumn came. And still I dream he'll come to me, that we will live the years together.
Ang concept ko po kasi last time, preso po ako. Ngayon po, nangyayari yun sa realidad. Kaya po nag-isip ako ng concept na mala fantasy drama naman po siya ngayon. Kaya po, ayun na naisip kong concept para po mapatunayan ko na anumang concept yan, anumang sayaw yan, makakaya ko po. Yun po, sana po pala rin po ako ngayon.
Semi-finalist number 2, Brian John Mendoza from Apalit, Pampanga.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while."
Hi, I'm Marchine. Andito po ulit ako sa Star Mill. Kakanta po ako ng mataas na mataas ngayon. Hindi naman po sobrang taas, pang Whitney Houston po. Tsaka yung level po ng kanta ko dati, iba po ngayon po, medyo mataas na. Abangan niyo po ako.
Semi-finalist number 3, Warchay Pineda from San Rafael, Tarlac City.
Don't make love one more day. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing if I don't have you.
Ganun pa rin po, singing, pero ibibigay ko lahat ng makakaya ko. As in, yung pinaka-thought ng kanta, kahit hindi siya ganun kataas, sabi nga, pag kumakanta ka dapat nararamdaman ng tao. Yun yung pinaka-ibibigay ko talaga sa lahat. Yung maramdaman ng tao, yung kanta ko. Yun lang.
Semi-finalist number 4, Maria Nova Lenis Lumen from Pambuan, Gapan City, Nueva Ecija.
When the rain's blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, well, I can offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, well, I will hold you for a million years to make you feel my love.
Ako po si Justin Pangilinan from Angeles City. Yan po, kung yung pong last elimination namin is tinira ko na po lahat ng mga high notes, yung matataas na part ng kanta ko. Ngayon po is ipapakita ko naman yung mababang kanta hanggang sa pataas para makita po ng mga judges na hindi lang po ako nakaka-hit ng high notes kundi sa pati yung mga bababa. Kaya please po, abangan nyo po yung aking performance ngayon at sana po magustuhan nyo. Maraming salamat po.
Semifinalist number 5, Justin Pangilinan from Santo Rosario, Angeles City, Pampanga.
Sa bawat isa sana'y ika'y muling makita ko. Damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Kahit sandali, kahit saglit.
Hi, I'm Rosette Fabros from Macabebe, Pampanga. Gagawin ko po ngayon ay sasayaw, dancing. Mas bago ngayon, mas in-emphasize ko yung identity ko, yung personality ko, parang mas sure siya ngayon.
Number 6, Rosette Fabros from Santa Rita, Macabebe, Pampanga.
I'm feeling sexy. I wanna hear you say my name, boy.
Is that my cue? I'm looking for the brain to boost my IQ. I'm like 5'2", my SAT scores was high too. The enemy never I got Louis Vuitton drugs. I'm hot down the drag.
Ako po si Kim Rafael M. Alincastre. Ang talent ko po ay dance po. Yung ginawa ko po nung last po, nag-bone breaking po ako. Pero ngayon po, ang gagawin ko po, nilevel up ko pa po. Mas marami pa po ako mapapakitang medyo nakakamangha po.
Semifinalist number 7 is Kim Rafael Alincastre from Santo Domingo Village, Mexico, Pampanga.
I'm Andy Pangan. I'm 25 years old from San Juan, Apalit, Pampanga, and my talent is singing. Ngayon po sa performance ko, mas iba, mas strong yung napili kong song at mas meaningful siya kaysa nung nakaraan. And I think itong magiging performance ko mamaya magugustuhan lahat ng manonood. And I pray na yung performance ko mamaya maibigay ko yung best ko. Abangan niyo po ako sa performance ko. Sana po magustuhan yung lahat.
Semi-finalist number 8, Andy Pangan from San Juan, Apalit, Pampanga.
Your perfume is sexy lingerie. Girl, I remember it just like it wasn't yesterday. A Thursday, you told me you had fallen in love. I wasn't sure that I was. It's been a year, winter, summer, spring, and fall. But being without you just ain't living anything at all. If I could travel back in time, I'd relive the days you were mine. Even though it seems I have everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, all of the money don't amount to you. 'Cause I can make believe I have everything, but I can't pretend that I don't see that without you, girl, my life isn't complete. Yeah, without you, girl, I just can't help loving you, but I love you much too late. I'd give anything or everything to hear you say that you'll stay.
Hello po, I'm Charlotte S. Bermudo and last elimination round po is kumanta po ako. Pero this time po, ginawa ko po siya ng bagong twist. Nag-sing and dance po ako. Abangan niyo po ako.
Semifinalist number 9, Charlotte Bermudo from Tenejero, Balanga, Bataan.
He fills me up, he gives me love, more love than I've ever seen. He's all I've got, he's all I've got in this world, but he's all the man that I need. He fills me up, he gives me love, more love, more love, more love, more love. He's all I've got, he's all I've got in this world, but he's all the man that I need. Love's got me looking so crazy right now, got me looking so crazy right now, got me looking so crazy right now, got me hoping to save me right now, things got me hoping to save me right now, looking so crazy in love, got me looking so crazy in love, looking so crazy in love, got me looking so crazy in love.
Gagawin po namin yung best namin para po magustuhan niyo po itong gagawin namin, lalong-lalo na po sa mga hurado. Lahat po gagawin po namin para po makatungtong po kami sa next round.
Semifinalist number 10, Body Shots Babes from Angeles City, Pampanga. Kaninong bituin ang mas nagdingning? Kaninong star quality ang mas napansin? Tanungin po natin ang ating mga judges. Ara muna.
Meron akong dagdag na napabilib nila ako. Bukod sa ina-expect kong gagawin nila, may dagdag factor pa yung ginawa niya. Parang ginawa niya, ginawa nila, may dagdag factor na may ginawa pa siyang iba para makita niya yung pagka-versatile and then pagka-star. Kasi star ang tinahanap natin dito bukod sa talent nila.
Big Band!
Masaya ako dahil mukhang pinaghandaan nila tong round na to, no? Kaya lang meron ako napansin, hindi ko nasasabihin, ano? Meron kasing parang may piyesang hindi bumagay dun sa isang singer. Sayang yung quality ng boses. Pero pag pumasok siguro, alam mo na kung sino. Paghandaan na yung piyesa. Importante din kasi yung material, di ba? Nakakatulong doon sa talent. Yung bagay sa kanya mismo. Pero magaling.
Lizette Laos Velasco.
Ngayon pa lang, kinukongratulate ko na kayo dahil nakarating kayo sa semifinals. And kung hindi man kayo pala rin na makarating sa top 10, gamitin nyo yung opportunity para mapagaling nyo pa at mahasa nyo pa yung mga talento. You really have the capability and yung the talent innate sa inyong lahat. So, ang gagaling ninyo. Congratulations.
Thank you, Lizette Laos Velasco. Joby Henson.
I felt the intensity of the performances. I also sense yung build-up dun sa nerves. Kasi nakita natin yun. Kahit hindi sabihin, alam natin may kaba at may nervyos. Pero we see in you how much work you put into your performances. So I congratulate everybody for that. So kung sino man yung pumasok, I think you really deserve it. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Joby Henson. Randy Del Rosario.
My goodness, have they all leveled up in terms of costuming, in terms of yung mga styling ng ating mga performers. But this is the level where all the judges are fault-finding. Because they're all doing very well, except for one or two na may mga super flats pa rin at saka super sharps. I have to be honest with you, no? Pero most of you have leveled up. Kaya lang, this is the stage where we fault-find. Saan ba nag-crack ang boses? Saan ba nag-flat siya ng konti? Hindi na-sustain? Sa dancers, precision, accuracy ng performance, character. Alam nyo, ang makukuha dito sa batch na ito, someone who has the clearest, most flawless voice. Ha? At saka yung advice ko lang kung makuha kayo for the next round, for the top 10. Give us something new. I'll mention a few of the numbers. Don't give us Broadway all the time, or don't give us jazz all the time, or don't give us popping all the time if you make it to the next round. Give us something new. This is the game of versatility, for goodness sake. So, mag-level up tayo next time if you make it to the top 10. Thank you.
Wala pong maglilipat ng channel dahil susunod na ang second batch of semifinalists. Dito lamang sa Starmill. Huwag po kayong alis.
Go! Always believe in your soul. Lamang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
She's wondering what clothes to wear.
Galing ng grupo na to. Ang daming magagaling na talento.
Dahil doon sa init na sinasabi ko, meron naman nagpakalma doon sa init. Parang na-refresh ako dito sa performance ng isang taong ito.
Nagbabalik po ang Starmill with our second batch of semifinalists.
I'm Angelo Marcelino. Ang talent ko ngayon is sing and dance. Difference na from before, dati kumanta lang ako ng banda, ngayon nagpa-fast song ako para naman makita yung versatility ko as a singer. Dapat nyo ako abangan dahil andito na susunod na Starmill champion.
Number 11, Angelino Marcelino from Bagong Silang, Balanga City, Bataan.
Go! Always believe in your soul. You got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe in you are gold. I'm glad that you're bound to return. There's something I could have learned. you're indestructible. Always believe it.
Ako po si Shena May Ramirez. Ang pagkakaiba po ng gagawin ko po ay mag-OPM song po ako ngayon. Kung dati po is English, ngayon po OPM.
Number 12, Shena May Ramirez from San Juan Nepo, Betis, Guagua, Pampanga.
Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kita mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Inilang mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin, di ka magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Hanais ko malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Hi guys! Suzy Soyanko here. Nandito na naman po ako. Natanggap po ako sa elimination round. Yung mga ginawa, mga pagbabago ko pong ginawa is mas gagawin ko pong more dynamic yung pagkanta ko po. Kahit na hindi siya ganong kabirit. Kasi sa pagkanta, hindi naman talaga, it's not about how you reach the high notes. It's about how good you deliver the song po.
Number 13, Suzette Soyanco from Burgos, Pilar, Bataan.
I'm going back someday. Come one day to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine. Oh, Blue Bayou, where the fishing boats with their sounds of love. If I could only say, well, I'll never be blue. My dreams come true. On Blue Bayou.
Performance po namin nung nakaraan, babaguhin po namin ngayon, mag-iiba po kami ng twist. Kung dati po, mga foreign songs po yung mga kinakanta namin, susubukan po namin ngayon na magpakilig sa mga tao at gagawin po namin yung best namin. Medyo kinakabahan lang po kami. Abangan niyo po yung performance namin, sana po magustuhan po ninyo. Salamat po.
Our number 14 from Malolos, Bulacan, Acapella Go!
Sandal mo sana, tulong mo sa ulan. Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema ay iyong malilimutan. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Huwag mo pigilin kung nais mapaluhan. Pakiramdam mo, sana'y guminhawa. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna. Umabot tayo, magkayakap sa dilim. Pinakahihintay natin. Eto na tayo, magkayakap sa dilim. Okay saya, magandang kauna sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Number 15, Leo Angelico Mendoza from Santa Rosa, Pilar, Bataan.
Through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know the love won't break me when I come to call.
she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.
Yan po si Eliza Marie Arnaiz from Plaridel, Bulacan. Last week, OPM song yung kinanta ko. So this week, na-try ko naman English song ko. So wish me luck.
Number 16, Eliza Marie Arnaiz from Parulan, Plaridel, Bulacan.
I wanna run to you. Ooh, I wanna run to you. Ooh, won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Run away. No, I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. No, if you only knew how much I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Want you.
Hi! Ako si Gilik. Ito na naman ako, second round. Katatapos lang, abangan niyo ako dito sa next round na to. Pagkakaiba nito, bukod sa ibang ginawa ko, kasama ko po ang banda ko ngayon. Kahit naiwan ko yung costume ko. Go, go, rock and roll! Abangan niyo ako, bye!
Our semifinalist, number 18 from Caligid Sur, Cabanatuan City, Maria Amparo Tensuan.
Hahanapin ay matatagpuan. Tayo ay may kakayahan, dapat na hangaan. Subalit nasaan ang sikat ng araw? Ba't tayo ang humahanga doon sa kanluran? Bakit kaya tayo ay ganito? Bakit nanggagaya? Mayroon naman tayo. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi ganap. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ang iyong buhay pango. Mayroong isang aso, daig ka ang ulol. Siya'y umiiyaw, hindi tumatahol. Katulad ng iba, pa-English pa. At kung magiging kan, mali-mali naman, wag na lang.
Hello, ako si Mark Jason Alfonso mula sa Makabebe, Pampanga. Ito, nandito na sa semifinal sa... Kung nung una, nagkalat ako, ngayon magkakalat ulit. Abangan nyo na lang kung anong gagawin. Salamat.
Our number 19, galing po sa Kadwang Tete, Makabebe, Pampanga, Mark Alfonso. Semi-finalist number 20, Kelvin Sarmiento from Bulaon, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Why can't I fall in love like any other man? And maybe then I know what kind of fool I am.
Mga kaibigan, nasa second batch na kaya ang magmamayari ng bagong bahay at lupa mula sa Amber Homes. At 4-year college scholarship mula sa Celtic College. Let's hear it from our judges. Ara?
Dito sa batch na to, muntik nang malagas ang buhok ko sa inyo. Halos magagaling lahat. Ayan, may halos ha. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat. Ha? So, good luck. Yun nga, good luck. At good luck pa rin.
Big Ben.
Tanong ko lang, guess ba natin si Gilio? Kasi parang iba yung performance niya, no?
O nga eh, no?
Total
Parang concert na niya.
Oo, kakaiba.
Judge Lizette.
Galing ng grupo na to. Ang daming magagaling na talento. But now that we're in our next level, which is nasa semifinals na tayo and next grand finals na, importante yung mga dapat pinag-iisipan yung mabuti kung ano ang ipe-perform ninyo. Whether you're gonna sing, you're gonna dance, you're gonna do magic, or what. So, importante yon. Should be akma sa kung ano ang meron kayo at kung saan kayo magaling. Ilabas nyo na.
Judge Joby.
And I hope in the next round, kung pumunta kayo dun sa next round na yun ang gawin nyo. Ibahin naman ninyo ng konti yung atake ninyo para ma-surprise lahat kami ulit. Thank you.
Judge Randy.
Ay ako nakulangan. Nakulangan ako ng bait ngayong araw na to. Congratulations to this batch, pero alam naman natin meron ding hindi nag-step up to the plate. Okay? Sana nakikinig yung mga third tsaka fourth batches, no? Kasi I'd like to give a few pointers. Halos lahat kasi bumibirit na. And ang pop culture sa Philippines, pag bumibirit, mataas ang boses, magaling. You know what? If all of you can do birit, the question is, who is really doing good birit or who is doing noise or making noise?
Stay tuned mga ka-region dahil sa isang sandali ay magpapasiklaban na ang third batch of Star Mill semifinalists. We will be right back.
Smoke every day, hold up. Yeah.
Oh, thinking about the youngest. There was only you and me.
And there are storms we cannot weather.
Palagay ko, merong magkikita-kita rito sa finals eh. Sobrang galing tong grupong to.
Kung si Big Ben nahanap niya yung nawawala niyang anak, ako nahanap ko yung kamukha ko nung 16 years old ako.
Sino?
Yung sa gitna.
Third batch of semifinalists, starting with number 21, John 316 from Mexico, Pampanga.
Bring it low. Are you ready? Here we go. 'Cause even if the cops is coming, I ain't gonna stop like you.
22 from San Fernando Sur, Cabiao, Nueva Ecija, we have Batang Maharlika.
Do you see something? Fighting has changed. Stop the party!
Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Huwag lang ang aking mahal. Ikamamatay ng puso ko. Pag sa akin inagaw mo siya.
Hi, I'm Angelica Bianca Pilapuz and talaga naman po pinaghandaan ko po itong semi-finals para po i-make sure ko po na magugustuhan po ng mga lahat na sumusuporta sa akin at saka po ng mga judges. Kung before po, kumanta po ako, ngayon po mas kakanta po ako with emotions. Thank you.
Semi-finalist number 23, Angelica Bianca Lapus from San Roque, Mexico, Pampanga.
Wish I could be the one who could give love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby. There's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'll only hurt you. I know I'll only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you.
Hi, I'm Daniel Ambao from Mariveles, Bataan. Ang preparation ko is training pa ako from Manila. Then, I play with my guitar. Tsaka may -1 na rin nakasama. And yun, abangan nyo ako.
Number 24, Daniel Ombao from Mariveles, Bataan.
Oh, thinking about the young years. There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more, and baby, you're all that I want. When you lie and shiver in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, that I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Baby, you're all that I want. When you lie here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, that I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven, heaven. Oh, oh, oh.
May Martin Mangera. Ang ginawa ko pong preparation sa semifinals na ito is kauwi po ng school, practice agad, kahit long test, puro practice para po ma-impress ko yung mga nanonood.
Number 25, Michelle May Mangera from San Jose, Guagua, Pampanga.
You say I've waited all my life for this moment to arrive, and finally, yeah, I believe in the impossible. If I reach deep within my heart, yeah, overcome any obstacles, so let the dream just fall apart. You see, I strive to be the very best, shine my light for all to see. 'Cause anything is possible when you believe, Just 100,000 dreams before, now I finally recognize. You see, I've waited all my life for this moment to arrive, and
From Bantog, Bulalog, Cabanatuan City, Harris Batong, number 26.
Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking linisanin. Di ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw.
Hi, I'm my friend Sagi Reyes. All I can say is good voice is my talent. So, star million star, star million star. That's all. Thank you.
From San Nicolas II, Lubao, Pampanga, number 27, Mark Francis Reyes.
You raise me up to walk on stormy seas, and I'm strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on a mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders.
Po si Aina Evangelista. Ang kakantahin ko po ay I Dream the Dream by Lea Salonga po from Les Miserables.
From San Agustin City of San Fernando, Pampanga, number 28, Ina Evangelista.
as they turn your dream to shame, but still I dream you'll come to me, and that we will live the years together.
Velasco and ang gagawin ko po ngayon is mag-sing and dance po ako. Kung nung elimination round po is kumanta po ako at bumirit. Pero ngayon, tatry ko po yung best kong mag-sing and dance kahit na ganito po yung boses ko. So, yun. Sana po magustuhan nila.
Number 29, Shane Velasco from Balanga City, Bataan.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna live in you. I'll never let you go. Bring your love to me. Hey. I will be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you to the end of time. I'll be your babe. I promise not to let you go. Love you like crazy. Say you'll never let me go. Come on. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go.
Hello po sa inyo. Ako po si Reynold. Sana po, supportahan niyo po ako. Dati po, nung last elimination, ginawa ko po ay isang modern na female na song na ginawa ko male version. This time po, kakanta naman po ako ng isang pinasikat na kanta ni Bruno Mars. It Will Rain. Thank you.
Number 30 is a wild card from San Fernando, Pampanga, Reynaldo Gomez.
Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, 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 rain. Oh, don't you say goodbye. Oh, don't you say goodbye. I pick up this broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that will make you mine, there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, 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 rain.
Copycat ba o original ang performance ng batch na ito? Who will drive a brand new car courtesy of Haima or World? Sino ang makakatanggap ng 100,000 pisong cash? Tanungin po natin ang ating mga judges.
Nasa inyo yung bet ko talaga from hanggang sa top 3. So, so lahat na lang kayo, good luck. At saka, good luck ulit.
Big Ben.
Natagpuan ko na yung anak kong nawawala. Ayun, no? Magaling siya, magaling. Gaya ng sabi ni Ara, good luck sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat, Big Ben. Judge Lizette.
Yung grupo na to, heart attack talaga. Aatakihin ako kanina pa, no? Sobrang galing ng grupo. And hindi lang yung galing, no? I mean, ang daming artistahin, yung itsura. Parang hirap pumili. So, therefore, katulad ng sinabi ni Ara muna, good luck.
Judge Joby.
For me, this is the best group so far. Totoo yun. Yun ang feelings ko. Yun ang nafe-feel ko. At the same time, this group has made the most connection to the audience. With this group, I think Sabi nga, I agree with Tito Ben. Marami sa inyo magkikita sa finals.
Thank you very much. Tingnan natin kung nag-agree ang masungit na judge na si Randy.
Magtanong kayo, dapat may mga mentors din kayo kung magsasabi sa inyo na tama ba yung pinili kong kanta. May mga performers kasi, mga singers na hindi maganda yung register sa mga low notes. So huwag kayong kumanta ng mga low notes. Right? Pumili ng kanta na mataas. Kung si Big Ben nahanap niya yung nawawala niyang anak, ako nahanap ko yung kamukha ko nung 16 years old ako.
Sino?
Ayun, sa gitna.
You're Bianca, right? You're Bianca.
Talaga makakapala mukha ng mga judges. Anak, pag 40 years old ka na, ganito na itsura mo. So, uminom ka na ng antidepressant ngayon pa lang.
Diyos ko. Siguradong mas kakabukin kayo sa mga susunod na magpa-perform. Magbabalik pa po ang Star Mill.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're
Ang pag-ibig, hindi parang cellphone.
Check this out. Oh, yeah.
circus life. I feel so unsure.
Napatanggal na yung sombrero kasi dito sa batch na to, dito ako muntik mahulog sa upuan.
Ako speechless na. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa group na to. Pero napasaya nyo kami at napatayo ako kanina.
Nagbabalik po ang Star Mill with our fourth batch of semi-finalists, starting with number 31, Greg Michael Fernandez from Sampaga, Apalit, Pampanga.
Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one to see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gets you wrong. You're the one that can always call. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put the love on top. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one to say. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gets you raw. You're the one that can always call. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put the love on top. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gets you raw. You're the one that can always call. When I need you, baby, everything's done.
Check this out.
Finally, you put my love on top.
From St. Jude Village, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, number 32 is Shaina Navarro.
This is my life, and I don't give a damn for those emotions. I'm such a lot of love. I've got to get. Let me leave. Let me leave. This is my life. This is my life.
Hello, I am Awit Garcia. Today, I'll be performing Pag-ibig by Yang Constantino. Iniisip ko na lagyan siya ng twist kasi hindi lang basta pagkanta yung kaya ko, kundi gusto kong patunayan na kaya kong mag-perform ng higit pa sa pagkanta. So, thank you sa lahat ng support and thank you talaga.
From San Juan, Santa Ana, Pampanga, number 33 is Awit Garcia.
Kung sabihin kong mahal kita, yan ay totoo, sinta. Huwag na huwag kang magduda.
Rochelle Manalang. Pinaghandaan ko po itong performance na to para po sa inyong lahat to. Maraming salamat po.
Number 34 is Rochelle Manalang from San Isidro, Magalang, Pampanga.
Hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay. Ang aking buhay sa'yo ibig kong malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Sa'yo. May buhay, habang may buhay, hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo. May buhay, habang may buhay, sa'yo ibibigay.
Hi mga ka-region, ito po si Ron Kayanan at inaanyahan ko po kayong lahat na manood ng Star Meal, The Search for Star in a Million. Tunghayan po ninyo ang aking talent na flag dance. Sana po mahilo po kayong lahat. Salamat po!
Number 35, Ron Alfredo Kayanan, Lourdes Sur East, Angeles City, Pampanga.
Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinal na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituin walang ningning. Kung kabalit nito'y walang paglaho mong pagtingin. Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ang mapaglaro at kinanang tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon ako'y bituing walang ningning. Nagmumuli sa liwanag at bislang ng ating
Kami ang Snap Boys. Oy! Marami po kaming binago sa aming ipe-perform dito sa Star Mill. Marami po kayong aabangan na pasabog po sa amin. At sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin sa Lubao at sa buong Pampanga po, sana po huwag kayo pong magsawa at sana po gabayan niyo po kami para dito sa Star Mill. Maraming po salamat.
From San Roque, Dau, Lubao, number 36, the Snap Boys.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. This girl is on fire.
this out. Oh, yeah.
Circus life under the big time world. We all need a clown's circus life. Be apart and easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Faithfully.
On the Mr. Bombastic, very fantastic. Check this out.
I'm a motherfucker gentleman.
Monster kill.
Semifinalist number 37, Nikki Joy Enriquez from Pilar, Bataan.
Bakit labis kitang mahal? Pangalawa sa may kapal. Ngayon at
Our next performer is from Guagua, Pampanga, number 38, Pranka.
Inalot tayo sa isang agupit, niragasang sinatang pinaluha. Isang bahagari, dala ng bugang liwayway, pag-ibig, pagkakaisa.
Our next performer is a wild card from Santa Rosa, Pilar, Bataan, Maybel Tanchaco, our number 39.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to breathe on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. It's me, not you. It's simply gonna rain and rain on my parade. I march my bands out. I've been mud wrong, and if I fans out, you turn up, sir. At least I didn't figure it out, sir.
Ako po, Sir Sinyanano, kung kinakabahan kayo nung nakaraan, lalo kayo kakabahan ngayon sa gagawin ko. Ako po ay mag-perform tutuloy po ako sa Alambre. Ganun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
From Makinabang, Baliwag, Bulacan, number 40, Arsenia Nano.
may lungkot na nararamdaman. Damdamin mo ba'y di maintindihan? At sa tuwing ako ang nasa iyong isipan, I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind a silver screen and all its sad goodbye.
Matofado gentleman. I'm a matofado gentleman. Matofado gentleman. Matofado gentleman.
Walang tulak kabigin sa mga performances. Kaya ang tanong, sino ang may pinaka-flawless na performance? Kaninong performance ang tumagos sa puso ng mga hurado? Are they worth the Cebu and Macau trips courtesy of Cebu Pacific? Pakinggan po natin ang comments ng mga judges. Judge Ara.
Eto na naman tayo. Napatanggal na yung sombrero kasi dito sa batch na to, dito ako muntik mahulog sa upuan, dito ako napatayo, dito tumayo rin ang balahibo ko, at nandito rin yung sinasabi ko nung elimination na isa sa katatakutan sa finals. Nandito sa batch na to. At naging fan na rin ako ng mga dancers. Kasi dati, etong Snap Boys na to, pigtisti ko dati rin eh. Anyang long audition, sabi ko, yung iba cute na. Dapat yung iba, lalo pang magpa-cute. Pero ngayon, cute na silang lahat. Ang ganda ng performance. In fairness, mas gusto ko yung ginawa nyo ngayon kesa nung mga nakaraan. At sa mga singers naman, nandito, hindi ko nababanggitin, maraming singers, nandito yung isa na gusto kong makapunta ng finals din. So, halos lahat kayo dito sa batch na to, sumakit ng sumakit talaga ang ulo ko. At saka, good luck.
Maraming salamat, Ara. Big Ben.
Sa dancers, bilib ako. Snap. May kumakanta pala sa grupong to. Dati kasi sayo lang. Oo.
Grabe, no?
Marunong. Totoo
Sino
ba
yung
yun?
kumakanta sa inyo?
Live ba yun? Live?
Ito.
Marunong.
Live ba yan?
Oh,
totoo?
Magaling. Bilib ako.
Grabe.
Kaya lang ang problema nyo, kasya kaya kayo doon sa bagong bahay?
At sa kotse.
Oo, kasya kaya.
Siguro,
Malaki.
one day, bawat sa kanila. Sa kotse.
Oo, malaking problema.
So, ibig mong sabihin, Big Ben?
Papasok sa finals. Posible.
Kasi sa mga national competition, parating hindi na nanalo dancer, singer yung nananalo. Palagay mo ba, Big Ben? Sa pagkakataong ito, may pag-asa ang mga dancers manalo?
Pwede mangyari kasi lahat ng nanonood, ewan ko, ang lakas ng ang lakas ng dating.
Alright. Pero, si Big Ben lang yun. Malay mo, ayaw ng ibang judges, di ba? Thank you salamat, Big Ben. Judge Lizette.
Sa grupo na to, para kaming nabuhay bigla. Sobrang daming choices. Sobrang, parang electrifying, sabi nga nila. Hindi lang sa sayaw, pati sa kanta, pati sa performance ni ate kanina. Sobrang, parang talagang yung puso ko malalaglag, no? I mean, daming diva sa grupo na to.
Yeah.
Ang daming magagaling. So, sabi nga ni Ara, good luck uli. So, good luck na rin.
Judge Jebby.
Ako speechless na. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa group na to. Pero napasaya nyo kami at napatayo ako kanina. So, sana palaging ganun yung mga performances. Yung hindi kami nananatili sa mga upuan namin na nakadikit lang, pero nakatuon. At yung energy rin ninyo na ipapasa nyo sa amin. So sana ganun lahat ng mga performances. ma-impluensyahan sana ninyo kami nung energy ninyo. So congratulations.
Thank you so much, Juby. Judge Randy.
And I thought it's not going to get better. Pero this batch, I think talagang obviously yung charisma ng lahat, hindi lang yung, obviously yung Snap Boys talaga ang umagaw ng eksena this afternoon. But, ang daming magagaling na singers dito sa batch na to. Ang daming biritera. I'd like to compare them to a typhoon.
A tsunami.
Pero, amidst this typhoon, there is one fresh breath of air that came out from this batch. A breeze, no? And I realized, it taught me that you don't have to really hit high notes to get the attention of the people. In fact, simple melodies can really affect us.
Yeah.
And I'd like to really single out Awit for doing that beautiful,
Awit!
uncomplicated performance that caught us. I think simplicity is magic also.
Top 40 sa puntong ito, mas makakabuti na uminom ng tubig at manalangin ng mataimtim dahil sa ating pagbabalik ay ilalahad na ang Top 20. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik pa po ang Star Mill. Among this constellation of talents, whose stars shone the brightest? Pero bago natin tawagin ang ating top 15, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. Robinson's Land Corporation, Amber Homes, Haima Auto World Philippines, Ellen's Aesthetic Center, Celtec College, and Lupo S. Ramos Accounting Firm. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call the managing partner of Lupo S. Ramos Accounting Firm, Ms. Marilu Tolentino. Ladies and gentlemen, we have good news for our top 40. The management of CLTV 36 has decided to invite all top 40 to be part of the talent pool of CLTV 36. Congratulations to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, our top 15 in no particular order. Number 8, Andy Pangan. Number 16, Eliza Marie Arnaiz. Number 19, Mark Alfonso. Number 18, Maria Amparo Tensuan. Number 24, Danielle Ombao. Number 9, Charlotte Bermudo. Number 30, Reynold Gomez. Number 34, Rochelle Manala. Number 1, Janelle Mariano. Number 23, Angelica Biancalapus. Number 6, Rosette Fabros. Number 25, Michelle Mayang Manguera. Number 14, Acapelago. Sino ang gusto niyong marinig? Number 33, Awit Garcia. And last but not the least, number 36, Snap Boys! Sa darating na Biyernes, ganap na alas 9:30 ng gabi, abangan ninyo ang umaatikabong performance night ng Top 15. Laging tutukan ang pinakabonggang kompetisyon sa rehiyon dito lamang sa Central Luzon TV 36. Ito ang nag-iisang Star Mill. Dream big and reach for the star. Judges.